Hi guys, I'm Elizabeth. I am a sophomore digital media student and I'm here to take you with me today. Some things I'm involved with here on campus are I'm part of the honors program, I'm a Gale guide, I am part of the Iona Players, which is our theater production company here on campus. I am also vice president of IUTV as well as executive producer of sports, and I'm also video content creator chair for the dance team. I have a busy day ahead of me, so I make my bed and head straight to class. My first class of the day is digital literacy, which we are taking in our wonderful computer lab, where we're learning how to recreate movie posters. Next, I head off to work at the Media and Strategic Communication Department, where I work as a media assistant. I help manage our social media accounts as well as our camera equipment. Then I head to the gym for a quick mile run before getting some food at La Penta. And for the best part of the day, we have our IUTV shoot day in our nice studio. I'll be shooting an episode of Inside Iona Sports where I get to read from that lovely teleprompter. When I get back to my dorm, it's time to read for some homework and then get some editing done for the shooting we did today.
Thanks so much for spending the day with me. I had a lot of fun. I love it here at Iona. I do so much here because I have the ability to, and I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world.